How to find out Cloud Backup and launch the software. First of all, type Betavare Cloud Backup tool in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch Cloud Backup and click on the Finish button. How to backup cloud email account with this software. First, you need to install Betavare Cloud Backup on your computer and open it. Then put your Gmail account username and password and click on the Authenticate Me button. Then select your Gmail folder. There are many export formats like PSD, MSG, EML, HTML, EMLX, MHTML and MBOX. Select any format. Now, use the Browse button to select your file destination where you save your file. Finally, click the Generate Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the Cloud Backup software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a Program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the backup your emails from cloud.